Did you know that artificial intelligence is already transforming how we make money? From trading algorithms to AI-driven startups, it's not just the future, it's happening now. But here's the real question. How can you get in on it? This isn't just about hype or tech jargon. It's about real, actionable steps to turn AI advancements into profit. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for making money with AI, and trust me, this is only the beginning. So, what does the future of AI and money look like? We're at a tipping point where AI is not just improving industries, it's creating entirely new ones. Let me take you through where AI is heading and how you can ride that wave to financial success. First up, AI in investment and trading. We're seeing more and more hedge funds and financial institutions turn to AI to make smarter, faster decisions. These systems can process massive amounts of data in seconds, spotting patterns that would take humans years to uncover. According to a report from PwC, over 80% of hedge funds are already using some form of AI to analyze market trends. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but I don't run a hedge fund. How does this apply to me? Great question. One way you can use AI in investing is through robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront use AI to create personalized portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You don't have to be a Wall Street expert to benefit from these tools. Even if you're just starting out, robo-advisors can help maximize your investment returns with minimal effort on your part. But AI doesn't just stop at investing. Let's talk about making money by creating AI-driven businesses. The opportunities here are massive. AI is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing, and entrepreneurs are capitalizing on this shift. Look at a company like UiPath, which went public in 2021 and has seen massive growth by offering AI-powered robotic process automation to businesses. If you've got an idea for a product or service that incorporates AI, this could be the perfect time to get started. The market for AI-related services is projected to hit $190 billion by 2025, according to a study by Tractica. Now, let's dive into something a little more practical, how you can make money with AI as a side hustle. Have you ever considered creating content with the help of AI tools? Platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai allow you to generate content quickly, whether it's blog posts, social media content, or even scripts for YouTube videos. If you're a creator, these tools can help you save hours of work and free up your time for other revenue-generating activities. You can start by offering AI-assisted content creation as a service, helping businesses, bloggers, or influencers scale their content output with AI. But it's not all about creating businesses. AI also holds potential in the freelance economy. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are increasingly seeing job postings for AI-related work, whether it's programming, data analysis, or even AI-based marketing strategies. If you have the skills to use AI tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or GPT-3, you're in a prime position to earn income by helping companies harness the power of AI. Freelancers are already capitalizing on this trend, with job growth in AI-related fields increasing by over 40% year over year, according to LinkedIn's Job Trends report. Another angle to explore is using AI for passive income. Have you heard of AI-powered trading bots? These bots can automate your trading strategies, whether you're into stocks, crypto, or Forex. Platforms like 3 Commas and CryptoHopper allow you to set up a bot that trades on your behalf based on market signals and your chosen risk profile. This means you can earn money without having to monitor the markets 24/7. But a word of caution. While these bots can be profitable, they do come with risks. It's crucial to understand how they work and continuously monitor their performance to avoid losses. Now let's talk about AI and content monetization. This is one of the most exciting opportunities emerging in 2025 and beyond. Platforms like YouTube are already using AI to recommend videos, optimize ads, and even create content. As a creator, you can leverage these AI algorithms to increase your reach and boost your earnings. The key? Understand how YouTube's algorithm works and create content that aligns with it. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ are AI-powered and can help you optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to get more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. But beyond just making content, what if I told you you could create AI-powered products? Generating and selling AI-generated art, music, or even code is a real and rapidly growing market. You could sell digital products on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even launch your own e-commerce store. Tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Runway are making it easier than ever for creators to generate high-quality images, music, and other creative works. In fact, there are already marketplaces for AI-generated art, and some pieces are being sold for thousands of dollars. And here's one of the most exciting opportunities: AI-driven affiliate marketing. What if you could set up a system where AI does most of the heavy lifting for you? Imagine leveraging tools like AI to find high-converting products, write copy that resonates with your audience, and even optimize your website for conversions, all automatically. That's the future of affiliate marketing. And it's already happening. But here's the bottom line. AI is not just about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about getting involved. Whether you're investing, starting a business, or freelancing, the future of AI and money offers limitless opportunities. The question isn't whether you can make money with AI, it's how you're going to start. So what's your next step? Are you going to start using AI tools to boost your investments? Or maybe you're thinking of starting your own AI-powered business? Whatever it is, the future is here, and it's filled with potential. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Which of these strategies are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. I respond to as many as I can. And if you want more ways to make your money work for you, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. If you found this helpful, you're going to love the next video. Keep an eye on the screen and click to dive deeper into AI-driven wealth building strategies.